So I cut some steel out. I cut it larger than I need, and the reason being is that there's a lip that sort of varies between 60 and 100 mil wide. That's, I guess, the inner guard. So there's a double lip, so this goes on the outside as you saw, but it goes underneath the mudguard when mudguard's bolted on. But then there's another piece that is the inner guard that it's rotted out, as I said, somewhere between 60 and 100 mil. It's a bit tapered. So I just cut out extra, knowing that I'm going to need that. So I marked one out, then I flipped the template over and squeezed it in. It sort of actually lays together really well. So I'll try and be accurate with my cutting, cut the two out and at the same time through that middle line. And then I've got two pieces that I need. Where possible, I'll make it slightly larger rather than smaller, because you can always take away, you can always add on, but it's harder to add on. So yeah, I just got that laid out. I'll just cut it with an angle grinder, just with a 1mm blade, give it a bit of a clean up, and then I've got those ready. There's a bit of contour to those panels, so I do have an English wheel there, so if I need that, I'll put a bit of contour to it. Also got a bit of a homemade roller, a bender as well, which I might drag out if I need that. I'll cut these out and we'll see how it lays up against the rusted section on the car there.